Hello everyone, welcome to SNIT Institute channel. This is Sampath here. In today's session, we are going to see
Fundamental certifications, Azure Fundamental AZ900, AWS Fundamental CLF C02.
So there are two certifications topmost in the market. One AWS and Azure. So which certification that you are thinking now? There are two more most popular entry level certification to start your career. So one certification AWS, okay, it is a practitioner for the fundamental which is offered by the AWS. And second is Azure Fundamental, that is AZ900, which is offered by the Microsoft. Okay, so these are the two fundamental certifications. And if you are a beginner friendly for cloud certification, the cloud certification, cloud practitioners, which will talk about completely on the AWS infrastructure, AWS concept, AWS services. And if you are planning for AWS certification, the exam code will be this. Okay, CLF C02 exam code will be the for AWS practitioner. And next for Azure 900, that is from the Microsoft, we'll talk about complete about the cloud concepts inside about the Azure services. And if you're planning for AZ900, then the exam code will be of AZ900. Okay, and both certification you don't require any previous IT experience. Okay, as a fresher you can write this, both the certifications. That's all in this video. Hope you like this video, and if you're watching first time our channel, do subscribe and do like and do share with your friends. Thank you all.